A few months back, I told a friend how I would make some money with email marketing. I had a list of about 2,000 people. I was quite sure that I would make money just by sending them emails. 6 emails later, I was ashamed to tell him that I got only 87 unique clicks and 0 sales. At the time, I didn't really understand why I failed so badly. But fast forward to today, now that I'm getting results like this in a single day, it's obvious to me why it didn't work. And what is really crazy is that I had to change only one simple thing, one simple fix to go from 0 to hero. But before I show you what I had to change, let's recap what the process looks like. So here's how the process looks like. We have a capture page. Whenever someone subscribes, we send him to an offer, or even better, to a bridge page. We send traffic to our capture page from different places. It can be paid traffic, it can be free traffic, it doesn't really matter. This here is what we call the front-end funnel. When we use paid traffic, it usually looks like this. We pay, for example, for $150 worth of traffic, get $75 back, and we're at a loss of $75. We hope to get our investment back and even more from, you know it, the email backend. So we send email after email after email. And when done correctly, this is like printing money. However, this is what happens most of the time. Can you see the problem here? I'll tell you, the problem is not with the model. This model works. It works very well. The problem is here. No, not your capture page, but rather the leads that go into your list. All the problems come from the leads that you put into your list. I would rather have a list of 100 people who open my emails, click my email links, and purchase what I promote, rather than a list of 10,000 people who don't open my emails or barely click my email links. So let me show you how to reverse engineer your way to finding the right leads. Let's start at the end, which is the commission that you earn. Before getting any commission, you need someone to see the sales page where the product you are promoting is being sold from. This is the buy button. Before someone can get to this page, he needs to click a link in your email. And before someone can click a link in your email, he needs to open your email, right? And read it. Yeah, this is meant to be 2 eyes. Yeah, sorry for the bad drawing. And before someone can open any of your emails, he of course has to get onto your list. So now let's imagine that you're getting traffic from 3 different sources. Let me change the color of each of them. So let's say that we have this one, this other one here, and this other one. And all the leads coming from this source give you an average email open rate of, let's say, 20%. An average click rate of 1%. So if you get 100 clicks, 100 leads from this source, you get only 1 view on this page and 0 sales. Now the second source, this one, let me change the color, sorry. This one gives you an average email open rate of, let's say, 30%. 30%. And an average email click rate of 5%. From 100 leads, you get 5 views here, and maybe 1 sale, but more likely 0 sales, right? Now let's have a look at this source. So you get leads from this source, and your average open rate is 50%. You get a click rate of 15%. So from 100 leads, you get 15 views on this page and maybe 1 or 2 sales. So just by knowing your numbers, by knowing that when you get traffic from this source, all the leads that you get afterwards are really not interested in what you are promoting, and a contrary, when you get leads from this source, the leads that you are getting are interested in what you are promoting, opening your emails, clicking your email links, and ultimately purchasing your offers. Then when you have this kind of numbers, doesn't it make sense to stop buying from these sources and only focus on this one? Yeah, it absolutely makes sense, and this is how you put the right leads into your list, by knowing your numbers and focusing on the right traffic source. Let me insist a bit more on this point because it is so important. So in other words, when I get 100 leads from this source, I can get 15 clicks to my affiliate offer, to my affiliate links. While when I get 100 leads from this source, I can get only 1 click to my affiliate link. In other words, I need 15 times more leads from this source to get the same amount of clicks to my affiliate links when I get leads from this other source. Now, the reason why most people don't know about this stuff is because these numbers are not readily accessible. When you look at your metrics in your autoresponder, you cannot see them. You see an average open rate and an average click rate for all your different traffic sources. For example, if you got 100 leads from source 1 and 100 leads from source 2, and the leads from source 1 gave you an outstanding email open rate of 100%, while the leads from source 2 gave you a terrible 0% open rate, then in your autoresponder you would see that you get a 50% email open rate, and you would have no clue that the leads coming from this source are really terrible, while the leads coming from this source are outstanding. You could not make any informed decision, and you wouldn't be able to decide to get all your leads from this source and get rid of this one. So you would continue buying from 2 sources. You would continue wasting money on this source, even though it just brings you useless leads. And that's exactly why I have created Opt-in Dojo, the only tracker in the world that shows you these hidden but crucial metrics. And that's the only fix I had to do to my email marketing to go from this to this. If you're really serious about your email marketing, head over to optindojo.com and start fixing your list today.